So you're living in Germany and you're trying to learn German, but you keep hearing the natives use these really hard idioms. Why are we talking about tomatoes and why are we talking about thumbs? Well, in today's video, I'm going to go in depth and explain 4 different idioms that are very often used by Germans, by native speakers, and after this video, you should be able to use them as well. So our first idiom, I think it's one of my favorites. I mean, I really have to smile because it is so hilarious how German use things. Why are we talking about tomatoes? Well, the idiom is Tomaten auf den Augen haben, which literally translated means to have tomatoes on your eyes. Now, I want you to take a moment and think logically because with German, it's very often about logic. What could this possibly mean if I'm telling someone, do you have tomatoes on your eyes? Well, maybe you guessed it, but it insinuates that the person is not seeing something that's literally right in front of them. So if your friend is panicking and looking for their phone all over, but their phone is literally in their hand, you could be like, Hast du Tomaten auf den Augen? How are you not seeing this very clear thing? You must have tomatoes on your eyes. Moving on to our second idiom, and it's Etwas durch die Blume sagen, which literally translated means to say something through the flower. What could it mean when someone is saying something through the flower? Well, again, you may have guessed it, but this means saying something not very bluntly, not very straightforward, and just not getting straight to the point. Instead, this person is saying this thing in a very roundabouted way. So you're telling your mom how this dude rejected you a week ago. He didn't want to tell you straight up that he's just not interested. So you tell her, hat's durch die Blume gesagt. He said it roundaboutedly, he did not get straight to the point, but you still get the message. Our third idiom is a very often used one, and you will hear it a lot, and it's die Daumen drücken, which means to press the thumbs. If you tell your German mutual that you're writing an exam tomorrow and you're not really too sure how you feel about it, or even if you are very sure that you're going to pass it, they could still tell you this, Ich drücke dir die Daumen. I'm pressing my thumbs for you. The fourth idiom is probably also one of my favorites because it just makes sense. Öl ins Feuer gießen, which directly translated means to pour oil in a fire. What could this possibly mean? Well, logically, this means making a situation even worse. You already have a fire, but you're pouring oil into it. You're making it even more severe. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope this cleared things up. If you guys are interested in more German content from me, then you can go ahead and check out this video, which talks about how I passed the most difficult German exam in Germany after only 10 months, and how I also got the highest grade possible on it. But if you're more interested in a longer story and my whole journey to learning German, then you can check out this story time about my time in German and how I became fluent in German after 8 months. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next ones. Baby.